Welcome to the ART-O-MATIC PS, an online tool designed to help students write clear and effective artist statements about their own artwork. The ART-O-MATIC PS will help you reflect on how the visual aspect of your artwork is constructed, the big ideas you were trying to express, and gives you some guiding questions to ask yourself to assist you in thinking deeply about the art you have created. Using the ART-O-MATIC PS to reflect on these aspects will help you understand your own artwork better and help you write an artist statement that will help others understand it better too. The ART-O-MATIC PS combines two strategies that art teachers have developed to help students learn about art more effectively. One is looking at art through the lens of form, theme, and context developed by Dr. Renee Sandel. The other is the 8 Studio Habits of Mind from Harvard's Project Zero. If you'd like to learn more about these strategies, you can watch these 2 videos on the ISB Art History channel. This video will explain the features of the ART-O-MATIC PS and walk you through how to use it. I'll even alert you when to pause the video so you can follow the instructions one at a time on your own computer. The ART-O-MATIC PS uses a free online program called Draw.io. You can use any device that can connect to the internet. The first thing you will need is the ART-O-MATIC PS template file. Your teacher may have a copy for you, or you can go to this website and download the ART-O-MATIC PS template to your computer. Next, open your browser and go to the Draw.io website. It will look like this. When it prompts you, open an existing diagram. Find the downloaded template on your hard drive and click on it. The template will load in your browser. It looks like this. Let's take a quick tour before we start using the tool. Over here is a panel which has some additional shapes. You won't really need these, so you can make the working space a bit larger by closing it. Depending on the size of your screen, you can resize the template here. On the left side of the template, you will see some arrows and boxes. You will use these to annotate your work. Annotating means to identify important parts of your artwork and make some notes about them. We will see how these work in a minute. There's also some links to information that will help your writing be more descriptive and precise. There is an adjective bank that will help you find accurate and rich descriptive language. There are some definitions for the principle of design and elements of art. There is a guide showing the various parts of a theme. The links on the bottom take you to some sentence starters for answering the context questions. On the right is a notepad for writing your notes. Now that we've seen the various parts of the ART-O-MATIC PS, let's use it. The ART-O-MATIC PS is for writing about your own artwork. But to show you how it works, I'm going to pretend I am artist Henri Matisse and use one of his paintings to write about. I'll get started by inserting the image. I can simply drag and drop an image from my hard drive. I'll resize it to fit the working area and then delete the placeholder text. I need to remember to put the image to the back, as this will allow me to place annotation symbols on top of it. I can drag an element of art or principle of design arrow on top of the image to identify where I see visual language taking place. A good, concise annotation will focus only on the most important elements of the artwork. It's not necessary to use all the arrows. I can duplicate or change the orientation of the arrows if I need to. I'll get a note card and begin to make observations about the color. Just start typing. The text will wrap around the note card automatically. Connecting the note to the arrow is done by clicking on the blue X's of the note card. When I finish making notes on the form, I'll move on to the theme. The big idea of the theme is not the same as the subject matter, so be careful. In this case, my wife, Madame Matisse, is the subject matter, but my big idea is the expressive nature of color. If I want to customize my ART-O-MATIC analysis to make it easier to read, I can open the panel on the right to change colors, fonts, and other elements. Before I save the file, I should rename it so it doesn't alter the template which I may want to use again. When my artwork is fully annotated, I can answer the context questions at the bottom of the ART-O-MATIC PS. I've just made a cool looking illustration for my analysis of my painting. It would look great in a workbook, report, or presentation. To copy my work as a picture, I'll just drag the mouse to select only the annotations. Choose Export from the File menu, then choose Selection Only when prompted. At the bottom of the dialog box, change the format to All Files, or your picture will not save correctly. The picture file can now be put into any platform that will accept it, like a word processing program, a PowerPoint, or Keynote presentation. This can make for a very professional looking product. As you can see, the ART-O-MATIC PS helps with analyzing the visual and thematic aspects of your artwork, provides some helpful links and resources, and is flexible enough to make visually dynamic illustrations. Increasing your understanding of how the visual language in your artwork creates meaning will help you make more expressive art.